in an ever-expanding scientific curiosity. We are known to explore many things in a span of 200 years. Black holes, neutron stars, wormholes, time travel, and many more astonishing discoveries and inventions, opening many gates for the opportunity to unlock the mysteries which help humanity at another level. One of the things which haunts is the existence of parallel universe, a universe other than ours, higher dimensional stuffs. To be more precise, any other kind of thing which we've never seen. Our scientists on the quest have discovered something which is so strange. It is called the negative mass. Don't overthink about it. Let me explain it. Negative mass is a hypothetical idea that matter can exist with mass of the opposite sign to the ordinary stuff. Instead of 4 kilograms, a lump of negative mass would be -4 kilograms. Although nobody knows whether negative mass can exist, but there have nevertheless been plenty of analyses to determine its properties. In particular, physicists have investigated whether negative mass would violate various laws of the universe, such as the conservation of energy or momentum, and therefore cannot exist. These analyses suggest that, although the interaction of positive and negative mass produces counterintuitive behavior, it does not violate these conservation laws. So, possibility of existence is reasonable. But, due to unadvanced technology, at this time, we can't generate negative mass. There have been some hypothetical models developed to explain how it could work. General relativity is able to describe the relationship of energy to motion and gravity for positive and negative energy or negative mass. These physicists created the conditions for negative mass by cooling rubidium atoms to just a hair above absolute zero, creating what is known as a Bose-Einstein condensate. In this state, predicted by Sechendranath Bose and Albert Einstein, particles move extremely slowly and, following the principles of quantum mechanics, behave like waves. They also synchronize and move in union as what is known as a superfluid, which flows without losing energy. Now the questions are how some of the basic physical laws would work with negative matter. For example, inertia and momentum. There has been work to reconcile negative matter with the conservation laws of the Standard Model through some mathematical sleight of hand. Cosmologists have also examined the effect that negative mass would have on the structure of space-time. And their conclusions have been more serious. They generally conclude that negative matter cannot exist because it breaks one of the essential assumptions behind Einstein's theory of general relativity. The phenomenon is rarely created in laboratory conditions and can be used to explore some of the more challenging concepts of the cosmos. Hypothetically, matter can have negative mass in the same sense that an electric charge can be either negative or positive. Since people rarely think in these terms, and our everyday world sees only the positive aspects of Isaac Newton's second law of motion, in which a force is equal to the mass of an object times its acceleration. In other words, if you push an object, it will accelerate in the direction you're pushing it. Mass will accelerate in the direction of the force. Generally, our mathematical models are just models. They do not necessarily define reality. To resolve this conflict, a theoretical framework revealing a deeper underlying reality, unifying gravity with the other three interactions, must be discovered to tie together general relativity and quantum field theory into a seamless whole. Today, study at the Université de Montréal in Canada say they've found a solution to Einstein's theory of general relativity that allows negative mass without breaking any essential assumptions. Their idea was that negative mass can exist in our universe provided there is a reasonable mechanism for producing it. Perhaps in pairs of positive and negative mass particles in the early universe. Their conclusion has far-reaching consequences. They point out that if positive and negative matter particles exist in the universe, they would form a plasma that would have important implications for the future of astronomy.
So, what do you think about the existence of negative matter? What other properties it may possess? Share your thoughts below in the comments section. And stay tuned to Awesome Universe. To watch another episode of our channel, just select any video shown on left side and right side.